This video describes how to create a main form with subform using the form wizard in Access 2007. Access is relational database, so related data is stored in separate table like this. So far, you have created forms by using single tables. Suppose you want to use multiple tables in same form, then you use subform. Subform is a form that is inserted into another form. It looks like this. The primary form called main form and the form that is inserted called subform. It's a parent-child relationship. Subform used when we want to show data that have one-to-many relationship. That means if you look at these relationship diagrams, you can create form with a subform by using any of these one-to-many relationship tables. Suppose if you want to see all students who's doing a particular course, then we can create a form with a subform. You had to combine this course table as well as the student table. So the one side has to be in the main form and the student side has to be in the subform, since this is a many-side relationship. So simply, this is the course side one form and this is a student side many subform. So I'm going to show you how to create this form. First, you have to go to create, and in the ribbon you have to pick more forms, and there you select form wizard. Under tables and queries, you need to select the main form first. So in our case, the main form is going to be course, and you have to select all these fields. The next time you need to select your subtable. So in our case, the subtable is students, so I'm going to pick students and select everything at the same time. Then I go to next. Now in here you can see the main form is going to appear in the top and the sub form is going to appear in the bottom. So you go next. So I'm going to keep as its default ways. So I'm going to next. If you want, you can rename this form or you can keep it in the default way. And you go create. Now it's going to look like this, right? So this is your main table, so that means your course table, and this is your student table. So if you see this data closely, these are my 3 students who's doing level 2 diploma in IT. So if I go to next one, maybe go to back, right? I don't have enough data. So it's going to look like this. So if you go back and forward from these arrows, you can see the different students who is doing different courses. The next thing you had to do is you had to go to design view, and then you had to put the logo here, you had to give a proper title in here, and you have to insert the buttons in here and format it in a nice way.